Don't get my feelings hurt. I know the ceiling's wrong. Don't get my feelings hurt. It's starting to be one. Don't get my feelings hurt. Don't say I'm not the one. Don't get my feelings hurt.
Good morning, guys. So today is a Thursday and it's actually really early. I think it's like 6:30. I have a 7 a.m. appointment to do my hair, and that's because at 11:30 I'm meeting up with a brand and we're going to be shooting some content and I need my hair slayed. It's like a really cool campaign, so I'm gonna be, you know, going to a photo shoot today, and I wanted my hair to look perfect. So I literally was in a rush because I just found out about it and I was in like a panic, and I texted my hairstylist and I was like, dude, I need to get my hair done. And she was like, cool, no problem, but let's just do an early appointment. So that's why I'm leaving the house at 6:30 in the morning. So I want to get to her and do what I need to do. I'm very excited. I wanted something beautiful and classic, and you guys know that Body Wave is my favorite hair on me. So I'm gonna be getting a Body Wave wig from ISEE Hair. I've worked with ISEE Hair a couple of times, so I really know that I'm gonna be getting like a slayed look. I'm gonna look really good because not only is it like a classic hairstyle, but it's also ISEE Hair. Like it's good hair, you know. So I trust the lace, I trust the shine, I trust the look of the whole vibe, and yeah, I'm excited because I'm also going to be styling it in a deep side part. Like I wanted it to look very princessy. The theme of the shoot is a touch of silver, so I'm going to be doing earrings. I'm going to look really cute and feminine and girly, so I think this is the perfect hair. So if you guys want this hair, I really recommend ISEE Hair in general. I think they've got really nice quality hair. So I will put the links to everything. I'll put the links to the hair that I'm going to install in the description box, and then I'll also put the link to just ISEE Hair so you can check them out. I've had almost every texture from them. I really like their water wave, and I think because this is, we're going into, well, we are in spring now and going into summer, definitely think you should check out their water wave. I love their water wave. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing today. I'm going to be doing that princess side part vibe, and I think it's gonna look really good today. Yeah, I should definitely get my Uber now. But yeah, this is me before the slay. Let me go get my hair done, and yeah. Okay guys, so you might notice that I got my face done in this clip, and that's mainly because, like I told you, I had a photo shoot on this day. So because of time, it just made more sense for me to do my makeup before I did my hair. So because of that, and because of the time and all of that, we aren't going to be doing a bald cap method, but we are going to make sure that that makeup matches perfectly, because I had my shoot at 11:30 and it was just not going to work. But get into the lace. It was very easy to pluck. I've plucked ISEE Hair myself. I know that their lace is very soft and it is not a mission to pluck. So all we did now is we are putting some ear tabs in the hair so that it fits me properly, and then we are cutting off that excess lace. So yeah, the lace does melt, it really does, and even without sticking it on, like, you can see that it's going to look good. So the hairstyle that I wanted, like I said, is a deep side part, so we just went in and we created that, and then we flipped over the lace so that we can start the install. I'm going to be using Got To Be. Even though I have a shoot and everything, I didn't need the wig to be glued on. So we're going glueless, and I love Got To Be. It's just easy to remove, and I just feel like it's the best one. So then we go ahead and melt the actual lace with an elastic band. So because I wanted my hair to give volume, we did have to go in and cut some layers, and it ended up looking so beautiful. I like the layers look because it just, even if your hair isn't very thick, you can go and make your hair look really thick with just adding some volume and some layers. It just does something. But this hair was really thick and I just wanted it big. Had a photo shoot, I wanted big hair. So we tried this new method. I've never had my hair curled like this, but what we really did was we took a round brush and she went and blow dried the hair into a curly wave, and it was so beautiful because it gave more of like a blown, beachy, voluminous, like very effortless vibe. It gave me the princess vibe that I was looking for. But we did go in the front with the barrel, and we made sure that those curls were nice and tight because I didn't want them to drop before I got to the shoot. I wanted my hair to still look nice, and make sure that it looked like big and all of that. So yeah, it looked beautiful. I loved it. We went in with some holding spray because we wanted the hair to last, and it was beautiful. Even when the hairs did drop, I still feel like it looked very beautiful. So if you are interested, definitely go into my description box and I will have the link for you guys. You guys know you can trust me with a good body wave. One thing about me, I love a good, high quality, voluminous, full, beautiful body wave. So yeah, all those links will be down in the description box, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.